Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing a project with you guys. I created this little flip book and I posted this on my Instagram last week showing you guys this collection that was sold on Peachy Cheap, and I wanted to share what the book looked like since you guys loved how it turned out. And I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the collection and what the collection was that I used. It's October Afternoon Travel Girl. This is what the sticker sheet looks like. I didn't really use the stickers, but I can share with you guys what they look like. I love October Afternoon because their collections are so vintagey. And they're just like the old times, and it just looks so fun. How cute is this little girl in the car? And the tickets. I love anything with tickets and stuff like that. That's so fun to play with. So this is the sticker sheet of that collection. And then it also came with a bunch of ephemera pieces, but I'll show you that in the flip book of everything, because I think I did use quite a bit from it. But let me show you some of the papers that I had left over and the little ephemera pieces that I had left over. There's this cute little banner that also came in the ephemera pack. This little map out card. It's like France. Super fun to make a shaker out of that. And then these are some of the papers. So there's this one with the flowers. This is the opposite side. Then there's this one with like all the names of the cities: Paris, Milan, New York, the states and stuff. And that's the background. This is so like 70s vibe. This is my favorite paper out of like the whole collection. I love this, like the airport, the times and stuff of the flights. And then that's the opposite side. This is a little piece that was left over from what I used. And then I have another full sheet, which I am super excited about because I want to create some other stuff with it. And there's this blue one. And then this is the opposite side. How cute is this? I plan to use these as cut aparts because look how adorable they are. And I'm not really a big fan of this side, so I think that it would be perfect just to cut these out and use them in different projects. So I have two of those, which is amazing. And then there's this one, and this is the opposite side, also with that like wallpaper look. So that's everything that I have left over from the collection from making the flip book. Once again, it's October Afternoon Travel Girl. And now let me show you guys the flip book. So I got this idea from Solange, and I think she got it from Alice. I'll have them both linked down below. And you guys, I love how it turned out. It's like sewn on the edges here. I think I just used way too many papers, so I had to end up cutting out some. But this is what the cover looks like. These are all ephemera pieces from the collection. This little flower is from Michael's. And I just love the way the cover turned out. I used the airport paper as the book itself. And then when you open it up, I made this cute little pocket out of this packaging that I had because I liked the way the shape was. Added some of the ephemera pieces. And then just put some more of these here. I had these little stickers from, I'm not sure where I got these stickers from, but they happen to be travel. And I used them all around the flip book because I think they fit perfectly. And then I just added little pieces here of ephemera from Chasing Dreams. Some of these are from Chasing Dreams, and this is one from this collection. So I just put those in there. And then over here on this page, these little cards are part of the ephemera pack, which I love. I love the way the little cards look. If you guys saw my previous video for the Sidewalks collection from October Afternoon as well, that also came with little cards like this, which are adorable. This one says Hotel, Explore. I put this cute little tag just for layering purposes. This little butterfly is from, I think, Flourish. And then it also comes with a strip of words, which you can cut up yourself. I used one, let me see, right here, keep a journal. And then I used this one right here that says collect souvenirs. And then on this page, this one says take snapshots. And then there's these two little cute cards. I love this one. It says do not disturb. And then this is just another one that I put in the back just to layer. I had these cute little travel stickers, and they're like a little bit dimensional. This one says away we go with a little airplane and the little star and the heart. And then on this page, you guys know I love to make me some shaker little bits and stuff, so I made this one again with the tool because it's just, I'm obsessed with it. I'm still not bored of it. I love making it. And it says go on an adventure. The flowers are from Maggie Holmes. And then I just made this cute little mix. Actually, my daughter made the mix. She picked it out and I just stuffed it, and I think it looks super fun. And then on this page, we got one of those map cards that I showed you guys that I didn't use. Where's that little map card? Right here. The collection came with like 3 or 4 of them. So I put this one right here, and then I put this little sticker from that sticker page that I told you I found in my stash, and it says I was here. And then this is also from the ephemera pack, and this is also from the sticker pack. And I think that page looks so cute. And then on this one, I just used this little bag and this little envelope that I found in my stash, and I put them together to stuff some more of the little ephemera pieces. Let me show you guys some of the cute stuff that comes in the ephemera pack. You get this one, very vintage. I love their style of ephemera pieces. These little cards are adorable and have to be my favorite. So I just put those inside the little bag. And then in this one, there's more little pieces of ephemera. There's the front gate. And then there's this one that says 1 mile. I don't think they have anything in the back, no. So I just put those in that little pocket that I created. And I thought the colors went well together. Oops, wait a minute. I think it goes this way. Okay, we got it. And then I just put a little ticket here with some little string sticking out of it for a little extra dimension. And another little ticket there. That's also all from the ephemera pack, as well as this little ticket. And then I just put this little gold foil sticker, which I think is from Heidi Swap. It says I want to remember. I love that it has like a passport vibe. That's what I enjoy the most. And then here, you guys, are the 2 extra pages that I just didn't know what to do, and I didn't have enough of the collection to be able to fill like 2 more pages filled. So I just cut them out. But next time I know that I don't need that many papers to put together. I made a little pocket here. And then these are all pieces. Well, these 2 pieces are from the ephemera pack. And then these are stickers from the sticker pack that I told you guys about. And let me show you a bunch of the ephemera pieces that came in the collection. So we have this one that says Hotel Paris, Prague. And then we have this one that says Cruise Ship Ocean Line Tourist Class Baggage Room. Like, how adorable are these ephemera pieces, you guys? Not to be placed in hat racks. Do not disturb, please. Then there's this one. Another little tag. And then this one that says do not disturb as well. So we just put these here just to stuff the little pocket with goodies. And then the last page has another do not disturb with this cute little mouse on a pillow sleeping. This little plane that I think came with the collection. I think I did use the stickers. Maybe yes, I did. I used 2 stickers. So there's this one right here, the little plane with a little map on it. And these are the stickers from that sticker sheet. It says around the world, world traveler, moments. And yeah, you guys, that's the flip book, and I love how it turned out. It was my very first one. I definitely want to make one with you guys. I just don't know about the sewing, because obviously you guys are not going to be able to see me sew because the sewing machine is going to cover the whole frame. But I'll probably do the sewing afterwards or before and just kind of tell you guys the measurements. But you guys should definitely try this flip book style out. It's so fun. I'm obsessed. I love it, and I can't wait to make one with you guys. I am so excited to craft with you guys. You have no idea. The excitement is there, and I can't wait to have a little craft session with you guys, and you guys can craft with me because you guys are amazing and show me so much love. And I want to show you guys love back by crafting with you guys and showing you some amazing projects. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys try this Happy Mail style out, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye guys.